Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing power. This prevents sparks and protects electronics. Once the battery is disconnected, expose the connector housing and remove tape or sealant so you can see pins. Take a photo to preserve pin order. This avoids miswiring later. Cut back the cable to healthy copper, about 1/4 inch or 4/6 mm exposed, because frayed strands won't crimp or solder reliably. Then de-insulate cleanly. Make sure the wire ends are neat before moving to terminal work. Now focus on the terminals. Release them from the housing with the proper tool so you can inspect each pin. If pins are bent or corroded, replace them. Why? Because a poor metal-to-metal contact creates resistance and intermittent faults. Use a proper crimp die for terminals. Crimp first for mechanical strength, then solder sparingly if needed to stabilize the joint. Slide heat shrink over the repair and apply dielectric grease to seals. This keeps out moisture and maintains low resistance. You finish by seating each terminal back in the connector in the original order. Locking tabs must click to ensure proper engagement. Reassemble and reseal the housing using heat shrink or silicone to restore environmental protection. Reconnect the battery and perform continuity and live tests while exercising the harness. Turn lights or run the circuit under load so you catch intermittent faults. If something still fails, focus on one key troubleshooting tip. Remeasure resistance at the connector.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.